Here is a unit that I filmed about a year ago. It's a carrier duct side discharge model. It's a heat pump and it's actually running this time. Blowing out nice hot air. I remember this thing ever since I was like 3 years old. Oh, it's so cold and sweaty. Alright. That is from 2003, I think. And it is a 3-ton. 2003 3-ton. Really awesome unit. And believe it or not, Carrier actually still makes the side discharge model. But it's just modernized. And it's a lot bigger than this. But yeah, it's actually running this time. It's awesome to get a video of it running. Oh yeah, that's outdoor temperature. It's not all that warm out right now. But it's warm enough to have the AC on, I guess. Alright, thanks for watching.